Mangalore University, Government First Aid College, Shankar Narayana, Kundapura. I am Mohini here with you, labor variance analysis. Let us study in detail what are the different types of labor variances. Now let us see the meaning of labor variances. A labor variance arises when the actual expense associated with the labor activity varies either better or worse from the expected amount. The expected amount is typically a budgeted or a standard amount. The labor variance concept is most commonly used in the production area where it is called a direct labor variance. The labor variance can be used in any part of a business as long as there is some compensation expenses to be compared to a standard amount. It can also include a range of expenses beginning with just the base compensation paid and potentially also including payroll taxes, bonuses, the cost of stock grants, and even benefits paid. The use of the labor variance is questionable in production environment because of the two reasons. Other costs usually comprise by far the largest part of manufacturing expenses, rendering labor immaterialities. Direct labor costs have proven to be considerably less than variable and therefore less subject to change than might be expected, which leaves one to wonder why the variance is being calculated for what is essentially fixed cost. The labor variance is particularly suspect when the budget or standard upon which it is based has no resemblance to actual costs being incurred. For example, the engineering department may set labor standards at the theoretically attainable level, which means that actual results will almost never be as good, resulting in an ongoing series of very large unfavorable variances. Alternatively, a manager might use political pressure to artificially increase labor standards. This makes it easy to improve upon the standards, resulting in perpetually favorable variances that artificially enhance the performance of the manager. Now let us see what are the different types of labor variance. We can classify like this. Labor cost variance. Labor cost variance include broadly labor total efficiency variance and rate variance. Again, labor total efficiency variance. Again, we can classify into three. That is labor efficiency variance, labor idle time variance, labor substitution variance. Labor efficiency can also be divided into labor mix variance and the labor yield variance. So what is labor cost variance? It is the difference between the standard cost of labor allowed as per the standard laid down for the actual output achieved and the actual cost of labor employed. It is also known as wage variance. This variance is expressed like this: labor cost variance equal to standard cost of labor minus actual cost of labor. Next is labor rate or labor pay variance, or it also be labor wage variance. It is that portion of the labor cost variance which arises due to the difference between the standard rate specified and the actual rate paid. It is calculated like this: rate of pay variance equal to actual time taken into the difference between the standard rate and the actual rate. Then third one is the total labor efficiency variance. It is that part of labor cost variance which arises due to the difference between standard labor cost of standard time for the actual output and the standard cost of actual time paid for. It is calculated like this: the total labor efficiency variance equal to standard rate into the difference of standard time for actual output and the actual time paid for. Total labor efficiency variance is calculated only when there is abnormal idle time. Then labor, next is labor efficiency variance. It's a subclassification. It is that portion of labor cost variance which arises due to the difference between the standard labor hours specified for the output achieved and the actual labor hours spent. It can be expressed like this: labor efficiency variance equal to standard rate into the difference between standard time for actual output and the actual time worked. Here, standard time for actual output means time which should be allowed for the actual output to be achieved. Actual time worked means actual labor hours spent minus abnormal idle hours. Now let us see what is labor idle time variance. It is calculated only when there is abnormal idle time. It is that portion of a labor cost variance which is due to the abnormal idle time of workers. This variance is shown separately to show the effect of abnormal causes affecting production like power failure, breakdown of machinery, shortage of materials, etc. While calculating labor efficiency variance, abnormal idle time is deducted from actual time expended to ascertain the real efficiency of the workers. Labor idle time variance is expressed like this. Idle time variance equal to abnormal idle time into standard rate, or idle time variance equal to standard rate into the difference between actual hours worked and the actual hours paid. Total labor cost variance equal to labor rate of pay variance plus total labor efficiency variance. So, total labor efficiency variance equal to labor efficiency variance plus labor idle time variance. Last one, go to last one, substitution variance. This is this variance arises when labors are substituted. This is the variance in labor cost which arises due to substitution of labor when one grade of labor is substituted by another. This is denoted by difference between the actual hours at standard rate of standard worker and the actual hours at standard rate of actual worker. This can be expressed like this: substitution variance equal to actual hours into standard rate for standard worker minus actual hours into standard rate for actual worker. Okay, thank you. Let us conclude.